Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here for our phonics lesson for today. Our learning target is I can recognize and produce rhyming words. So this week we have talked about rhyming words and how rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. Yesterday we read and produced rhyming words for the word hop, and we also practiced recognizing rhyming words in the poem See the Bug. In this poem, there are a few rhyming words. These rhyming words are bug and tug, bug and rug, but also tug and rug. The other rhyming words are hop and mop, hop and stop, and also mop and stop. So boys and girls, remember this is our strategy we're using to find rhyming words. We can find rhyming words by reading the poem, like we've been reading My Dog, and yesterday we read See the Bug, but also you can find rhyming words when reading books. And when reading, remember, the second thing you're going to do is listen for rhyming words. And the third thing we're going to do is to say the words that rhyme. So today, boys and girls, we are going to read a book called, let me get my first page, called My Big Wig. So in this story, let's listen to our rhyming words while Miss Tigner reads the words aloud. Are you ready? Okay, my big wig. I like to dress up. I have a wig. My wig is big. I like my wig. What words rhyme in this story or in this page? Wig and big. These two words rhyme. I have fun with my big wig. I can dig. Do you see words that rhyme on this page? Big and wig, but also big and dig and wig and dig. These words rhyme. Oh no, the wind took my wig. Away goes my big wig. My big wig lands on a twig. Oh, I try to grab my big wig. It is stuck on the twig. The wind blows, it blows my wig from the twig. Away goes my big wig. My big wig lands on a pig. Oh, pig, you look silly in my big wig. I take my big wig off the pig. I am happy, I dance a jig. I have fun with my big wig. All right, boys and girls. We talked about in the beginning of the story about words that rhyme. We talked about how big and wig both rhyme. But did you see any other words that rhyme? Let's see, I'm going to go back to the beginning of the story. We also talked about big and dig rhyme and wig and dig rhyme. Did you see any other words that rhyme? So for your assignment today, you're going to write all the words that rhyme in the story, My Big Wig. You can also go back in this video and read the story to help you figure out those words that rhyme. I hope you have a great day, boys and girls. Bye.